In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resolve bank deposit differences in QuickBooks Online. When you connect your bank to QuickBooks, it pulls in all your bank transactions. Sometimes, a deposit in your bank feed doesn't perfectly match what's recorded in QuickBooks. This can happen because of things like bank fees, timing differences, or extra funds included in one deposit. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to find that deposit, match it correctly, and resolve any differences so that your books stay accurate and your bank reconciliation goes smoothly. First, go to the Banking section in QuickBooks Online. Depending on your version, this may be called Banking or Transactions, but you're looking for the area where all your connected bank accounts appear. Once you're there, make sure you're on the For Review tab. This is where all the new, unreviewed bank transactions sit, waiting to be categorized or matched. Next, locate the specific bank deposit you want to work with in the list. When you've found it, click on it and then choose Find Match. This opens the matching window where QuickBooks looks for existing transactions that could be linked to that deposit. In the matching window, you'll see a list of invoice payments, sales receipts, or other transactions that could make up the amount of that deposit. Check the boxes for the payments and invoices that belong to this bank deposit. Take your time to confirm that the dates and amounts line up with what your bank shows, so you're not accidentally matching the wrong items. If the total of the selected payments doesn't exactly equal the deposit amount from the bank, don't worry. This is where you resolve the difference. Scroll down in the matching window and click Resolve Difference. New lines will appear, allowing you to add either an expense or an additional deposit. If the bank took out fees before the money hit your account, add an expense line for bank fees and enter the amount with a minus sign so that it reduces the total. If you actually received extra funds that aren't tied to an invoice, add a new deposit line and categorize it correctly, such as to Other Income or the appropriate income account you use. Watch the difference field at the bottom of the window. Your goal is to adjust these lines until that difference becomes 0. Once the difference is 0 and everything looks correct, click Save. This finalizes the match and clears the transaction from the bank feed, keeping your records clean and your bank balance aligned with your books.